Hello friends, my name is Naveen. Today I just want to show how the multi-line comment and the single line comment acts in C language. You can see here at the top of this. Here this will act as a multi-line comment where it starts with the slash star, which ends with the star slash. This is called as a multi-line comment, and in the program you can see if the program starts with double slash, it is called a single line comment. So single line comment mostly used to write the comment of why that particular line is written, and multi-line comment is used for the description of the file or the .c program why you are writing it. It acts as a description. Thank you.